because people are wasting himself. Like, why are you wasting? I'm so helpful to you. Why are you wasting me? So you should give respect to them.
Whenever we drink water, and we simply just throw it into the sink and the basins. So instead of that, we can drink a water, half which we don't want to drink. We can just put a lid on it, and then again when we're feeling thirsty, we can re-drink the water. Like that, we can save water instead of throwing it.
The people who all make stickers to put on auto, you see?
Auto, huh?
Yeah. You can tell those people that you make this also one, so that I can attract more people from buses and all. Even on buses we can put.
While we are brushing, many people leave the taps open. So than doing that, we can take glasses and put water and take water in that. And while we are gargling, use the same water in it.
You pour some water, you drink it.
Okay.
And the waiter will see the empty glass. He'll again come and put water.
That we should not do.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
then-
if you are sitting at the table, you just have to take the jug and pour in your
Yeah.
cup whenever you want.
Yeah, that's it.
So that saves water.
Yeah.
How will we convince them?
No, this is actually okay. We agree that this is the rule, but not like that. Like actually, should be like saving water. The world will become free, and we'll get more food faster.
Correct.
And we
The
can
customers
earn more money,
Correct.
and we can save water. Charge on that and saving water and all can right.
Bulletin board is a very good idea, right?
Yeah.
Because they always have, or most of the restaurants have that. So if you put it up on that, then I think it'll attract the customers also if they see it. We can divide, like see if she's doing a poster, then you can do a bookmark.
I'm doing card.
Yeah, okay, he's doing a designer card or
Hello uncle, we are from Srimad Rajchandra United.
In our hotel part, when it comes to the room, we have kept a jug there in the toilet room. So whenever the people or the guests are using the water for the shaving purpose or the brushing purpose, we have kept a stand also like that, and stating that you can catch the water in the jug, then you can do all your process instead of keeping the tap on. We are following a 3 zinc method, where all the soil plates, that goes into the first zinc, the second zinc with the soap oil, the third zinc for the fresh water. So what happens once all the plates have been washed, then we remove the water. Again we catch instead of wasting the water like that.
About 90 crore people in the world lack safe water. Around 240 crore people do not have proper sanitation facilities, and 150 crore people have shortage of water.
We have found that there are many ways by which we can save water at restaurants. For example, regularly checking for leaking flush and taps in the bathrooms. This can save about 400 liters of water every week.
We'll take your suggestions. We'll try to implement that. You know what we are doing, whatever you have told, out of that, 50% of orders will be done. Thanks for bringing some light.
There are many other ways in which we can conserve water. We have these type of table cards which you can keep on tables and tell your customers to conserve water. This bookmark you can attach them in your menu card which further tells your customer to conserve less water. Like hotels Oberoi are making an effort to save environment. They are asking their customers to save water by reducing washing and replacement of the linen in their room. This type of effort is catching onto many hotels. This is only a small step of water conservation. From now on, every single drop of water will. It is our responsibility to save water. We would like to welcome you to our club of water conservation. We know you would feel proud to do something for our society and the world.